more respect, more importance, no criticizing kind of things. Compulsory, right? More love, more care, more time. Okay, more time. We are definitely you are expecting from your life partner. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Definitely more care, more time. Okay. Next and after that, so what we can use the word something like they should not criticize anything. Okay. They should not criticize. They should always appreciate us. They should always appreciate it. They should not criticize it. Okay, like dot like so. If you are expecting these things, then automatically, if the opposite person providing all these, you like that person. Obviously, array, my wife is too good. So she is always whatever my requirements, so she's going to spend the time with me. Okay, she's taking very much care. She loves me. Okay, she's showing genuine interest. Okay, care, everything I'm expecting. Obviously, I like my wife. Okay, like that. So the same way, here observe very carefully what you are expecting from the opposite person. Compulsory, we should have some expectations. Before expecting those, first provide unconditionally all those things to the opposite person. Remember this. What a wonderful point. Unconditionally provide all those things to the opposite person. Then what we are going to give, the same thing will come with multiplication. Have you observed? The same thing will come with multiplication. Believe me. Give the respect, take respect. Give respect and take respect. Somewhere you may heard about this one. Okay, in Telugu we have wonderful sayings are there. Attu pedite attunnara. Attu petete attunnara. What it means is if you share one dosya, tomorrow one and a half dosya will come for you. Okay. So means what I'm telling is always whatever you are expecting from opposite person, first to provide those things. That thing must be required. Obviously, the things are going to come naturally in reverse to you with the multiplication. Then the relationships will become very stronger.